So for this video, we're going to work on adding a vignette. So in our effects panel down here, we're going to search circle, and you want generate circle. We're going to drag the circle to the same clip that we were working on before. I don't think that worked. I'm going to do it again. There it is. Drop it on there, and you'll see it added to your effects panel up here. So ignore this thing that says vignette. It does not do what we want it to do. This does. You'll notice that we just have a white circle here. We're going to stretch the radius quite a bit. You basically want to just give yourself a little bit in the corners. Then we're going to change the color of our circle to black. And we're going to invert the circle. Now, the big thing is changing the blending mode to multiply. And you'll see we have this really hard edge. We don't want the hard edge. We're going to change the settings under feather. So if you click feather, and we want to feather the outer edge a lot. See how it's starting to soften? We want it to soften quite a bit. Now you can adjust the radius a little bit if you want to bring in some more of the dark around the corners. And then you can also position this differently if you want to shift it slightly. And that's about it. That's what we're looking for. We want these black corners to give it kind of more of an old school feel. So play through. Now it needs to be rendered, so the quality of the video is not perfect. Now notice we haven't done this video yet. We'll get to that. But for now, that's what we're looking for.